Hello, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be sharing an egg sauce recipe that I use for rice. It's simple, straightforward, and very delicious. For this recipe, we're going to be using fresh tomatoes, we're going to be using some peppers and some tatashe. You can see here the amount of pepper I'm using. If you don't like pepper, please reduce the amount. For the tatashe, you can see that I removed the seeds. You don't want to use this with the seeds. We are going to use some onions, some garlic, some ginger, some spring onions. Everything will be in the description box, so look out for it. We are going to prepare everything and keep before starting the recipe because egg sauce goes quickly. I think I'll make it, I'll just blend it a little bit more. Ooh, what a workout. So I'm just going to allow it to fry until it's fragrant. That's unmistakable onion flavor and aroma comes out. Put in half of the tatashe, pepper, garlic, and ginger. And stir this a bit. It smells so good already. I'm squeezing a bit of the liquid from the tomatoes before putting it in. Stir this a bit. Using some seasoning cube. So I put 3 seasoning cubes. If you're new to cooking, you want to be careful so you don't over salt your food. When you put the seasoning cube, taste a bit before adding in your salt. It's better for you to be cautious than for you to over salt your food. Okay, put in a little bit of salt. Good. We'll cover this for some minutes. I'm going to put in the remaining tatashe and pepper A little more seasoning. I'm going to put some curry, so about 1 full teaspoon of curry, and a little bit of thyme, just very little thyme. Cover this, reduce the heat while I get my eggs ready. Ooh. You want to taste it, make sure everything is okay. The taste is good. Pouring in the egg now. Okay, so we'll leave it. I like a little bit of Tatashe so I could cut it. Just because I like it that way, you don't have to do this. It's ready, or almost ready, so I'm going to put in my spring onions. Taste and for color. Our egg sauce is ready, so I'm going to turn off the heat. This egg sauce is delicious and very easy to make. If you've watched up to now and you've not given this video a thumbs up, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that whenever I post new videos, you'll be one of the first to get them. I'd like to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.